Hey, if you have one of these wireless microphone sets that require you to plug in an audio jack, 3.5 millimeter audio jack, and you want to use it for iPhone, which has only this USB-C port, then this is how you do it. Usually it will come with a receiver and a transmitter. This is a part that you speak into, and this is the part that connects to the phone that allows the input to go into the phone. For an iPhone or most other smartphones now, USB-C, you're gonna have to use an adapter. And this is the adapter I'm using. It's a Ugreen, quite affordable on Amazon, and also very good quality. So what you have to do is just go ahead and plug this in, and then we're gonna go ahead and plug it in here. And once we do that, then we can go ahead and go to the, let's go ahead and show you and record a video. Okay, so we're making sure these are on, and the sound should be good. These make a huge difference if you're making videos. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and record. I'm talking. Okay, so let's stop, and then we're gonna go ahead and show you the results. Okay, so let's go ahead and record. I'm talking. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much it. What you need is one of these. You need one of these adapters, and I'll put a link below. They're quite affordable and good quality. Won't break and fray on you. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.